Scheduling Instagram stories takes 2 minutes to set up and saves you hours every week. You can use Instagram's own Meta Business Suite for free or third-party tools like Hootsuite and Buffer if you need team features and analytics. In this video, we're breaking down both so you can stop posting stories like it's a full-time job and actually get your time back. Let's start with the first method, the native route. Meta Business Suite allows you to schedule Instagram stories directly. The process is fairly straightforward. Logging to Instagram through Meta Business Suite, open the planner from the sidebar, click Create Story and drop in your photo or video, enable Set Date and Time, pick when it goes live, and hit Schedule. That's it. For solo creators or small accounts, this gets the job done. The catch, once you're managing multiple brands, running campaigns, or planning content weeks out, this tool starts to feel pretty bare. This is where the second method, using third-party tools, comes in. Think Later, Buffer, Hootsuite, that whole category. They do more than just schedule. They let you preview your full Instagram grid before publishing, so your feed actually looks cohesive. They let you post across multiple platforms in one shot, and they give you proper analytics so you can see what's actually working instead of guessing. When picking one, look at 3 things: team size, how many platforms you manage, and budget. For a solo creator on one account, the free options work. For a team running multiple brands, the paid tools pay for themselves in time alone. So that's how you schedule Instagram stories without living inside the 24-hour countdown. Pick the route that fits your scale and get your weekends back. And if you want one place to plan your full content calendar across every platform alongside the rest of your team's work, ClickUp.com is free to get started. Links in the description.